Hello friends, today I will explain how you can obtain the WhatsApp API in as short as 1 minute. I provide this service and the data traffic passes through my server. Only statistical data is stored, therefore it's important to save information like the API key you get through Telegram. If you lose this information, it is impossible to retrieve it. Currently, I offer 300 messages per month for free. This service is ideal for those who are taking their first steps into the world of automation or want to test their messages and chatbots for their business. You can connect and use your WhatsApp directly by scanning a QR code without needing official documents, tax certificate, company information, or approved templates. If you need more than 300 messages per month, there are affordable paid options available. To make this process effortless, I have prepared a Telegram bot. You can follow the necessary steps through the bot to create your WhatsApp API. Now let's move on to the WhatsApp API setup stages. First, find the bot on Telegram. I will share the link below. Press the Start button to interact with the bot. Write the company name or a preferred name without spaces. Enter your phone number with the country code without the plus sign. Web WhatsApp is currently being set up. The system will generate and send us a QR code, which usually takes 10 to 15 seconds. Once we receive our first QR code, we scan it to connect. You can receive up to 3 QR codes. If a successful connection cannot be established in this time, the WhatsApp API is automatically deleted. WhatsApp is now connected. You can verify on the phone. Let's open a request node to send a message. I will write my number and send a test message. It was successfully delivered, and even a notification arrived. Let's do another test by changing the message text and sending it again. Apart from sending messages, if more complex functions are needed, for example, replying to incoming messages, you need to set up a webhook node. For this, create a webhook node, set the HTTP method to post, and continue with the test URL from Telegram. The test webhook setup is complete. And working successfully. To work in a live environment, you need to add a live URL and activate the flow. Now let's do our live test. As you can see, the messages are being captured.